Do you want to know how you can log into your data.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your data.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and search for Data.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Data.ai. You can see two boxes over here. You can fill your email address, your password, and then click login. This way you can log into your data.ai account. You can click in on remember me for 14 days and then you will no longer have to log in for the next 14 days. You can also sign in using your SSO, so click on this link, write down your email address, click login, and write down your SSO number. This way you can log in with your SSO number as well. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password back. In case you have not registered yet, go ahead and click register and create a data.ai account for yourself. This was a video on how you can log into your data.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.